Hey everyone, 2025, Tesla redefined the compact electric sedan with the launch of the Tesla Model 3 Highland, a vehicle that embodies innovation, elegance, and the future of sustainable mobility. The Model 3 Highland isn't just an update, it's a complete reimagination of what a modern EV should look and feel like. It represents a significant leap forward in design, efficiency, and user experience, bridging the gap between cutting-edge technology and practical day-to-day usability. At first glance, the exterior of the Model 3 Highland sets the tone. Tesla has taken a minimalist yet sharp approach, refining the body lines for improved aerodynamics. The headlights are slimmer and more aggressive, giving the front a distinctive identity. The absence of fog lights and the reshaped bumper further streamline airflow, reducing drag and increasing efficiency. Tesla has also improved panel fit and finish, giving the Highland a more premium look than its predecessors. The new wheel designs and upgraded lighting signatures add to its futuristic appeal. Underneath the sleek skin, the 2025 Model 3 Highland has received critical upgrades that make it more than just a cosmetic refresh. Tesla engineers worked meticulously to enhance the ride quality and handling, incorporating stiffer suspension and improved damping characteristics. The result is a driving experience that is both smooth and responsive, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. The noise insulation has been significantly improved too, thanks to acoustic glass and additional soundproofing materials, creating a quieter cabin even at high speeds. Performance-wise, the Model 3 Highland comes in familiar configurations: rear-wheel drive RWD, long-range all-wheel drive AWD, and performance. Each variant benefits from software refinements and more efficient battery management systems. The long-range version now boasts an impressive estimated range of around 390 miles on a single charge, while the performance model continues to deliver exhilarating acceleration, rocketing from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3.1 seconds. These figures keep Tesla ahead of most competitors in terms of range and power, without compromising on the brand's hallmark smoothness. The interior of the Highland is where the future truly comes alive. Tesla has taken its minimalist philosophy even further. The dashboard is cleaner, the materials are more refined, and the ambient lighting adds a touch of sophistication, which drivers can customize based on mood or time of day. One of the most talked about changes is the removal of the traditional stalks. Controls for indicators, wipers, and drive modes are now embedded into the steering wheel or accessed through the central display. It's a bold move that has drawn mixed opinions, but it aligns with Tesla's vision of reducing mechanical components and moving toward full autonomy. The centerpiece remains the 15.4-inch horizontal touchscreen, which is now brighter, more responsive, and packed with new features. Tesla's software updates have made the user interface more intuitive, and the new UI in the Highland brings smoother transitions, better graphics, and improved voice command accuracy. Rear passengers are no longer left out. Tesla has added an 8-inch rear display that allows access to climate control, media, and entertainment, making the Highland a more family-friendly vehicle. Comfort has been another area of focus. The seats are redesigned for better lumbar support, with perforated vegan leather and optional ventilation. Rear passengers enjoy increased comfort with quieter surroundings, better legroom due to the new seat design, and rear ambient lighting that provides a relaxing environment. Tesla has also worked on improving the HVAC system, with more intelligent airflow control and a quieter operation, enhancing overall ride comfort in every climate condition. One standout upgrade is the sound system. Tesla has fine-tuned the already excellent audio setup, delivering studio-quality sound that immerses passengers, making long drives more enjoyable. The subwoofer and speakers are precisely positioned to create a balanced, rich listening experience that rivals premium audio brands. Combined with the silent electric drivetrain, it turns the Model 3 Highland into a mobile theater. In terms of safety, Tesla continues to lead. The Highland includes the latest iteration of Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving FSD hardware, using upgraded cameras, radar, and processing units. Even without activating FSD, drivers benefit from advanced driver assistance features such as automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and smart lane changes. Tesla's approach to safety also includes over-the-air updates that refine and enhance these systems continuously, making the car safer over time without visiting a service center. Charging remains one of Tesla's strengths, and the Highland maximizes this advantage. It supports Tesla's V4 superchargers, allowing faster charging rates of up to 250 kilowatts, which means you can gain up to 175 miles of range in just 15 minutes. The efficiency of the powertrain ensures fewer stops and lower electricity costs per mile, making it one of the most cost-effective EVs on the market over a 5-year span. Additionally, Tesla's expansive supercharger network reduces range anxiety and makes long-distance travel more feasible than ever before. Sustainability has always been at the core of